Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I will be teaching you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube mobile. So a lot of time it happens if a language is detected to be in a different region or a different language. Basically YouTube automatically converts or dubs it into your native one. So to change this you need to head out to your YouTube and there head out to your account and then settings. So you can see in here we have our different options. So we have audio preferences, we have video quality, we have playback and much more. So what you need to do is simply select your region to the particular language that you want. So you can see in general we have app language. Make sure that it is set to English and it is not going to be translating in English or auto dubbing. So yeah, this is the way to do it. You can also set your location, so this is also going to be helping to suggest you with the better audio. And yeah, so this is literally pretty much it, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you around in the next video.